I'm sorry, but I gotta do it. Why is your hair so soft and silky smooth?
It's because I've been using Length and Strength Conditioner.
Oh, what is that?
It's a toxin-free conditioner recipe that you're gonna love.
Yeah, my hair might grow a little longer then, huh?
For this recipe, you will need 1 ounce of a natural conditioner base, 4 drops of rosemary essential oil, and 2 drops of spearmint essential oil, and a label. If you're a subscriber, all of this gets sent to your door.
Nice, so you don't even have to search for it.
Nope. Super
All right.
easy and fun.
All right.
All right, so this recipe is super easy. You just add the essential oils to the base. So these oils will help wake you up. So actually, you might not want to use this at night because it's gonna like wake you up.
Yeah.
Maybe make it harder to sleep. Instead, it's a good one to use in the morning to start your day off right, and it encourages hair growth and hair strength.
All right.
So once those oils are in there, put the cap back on and shake it. Or swirl it.
Shake.
However
shake.
you want to mix it.
Shake.
For at least 30 seconds.
All right. Getting my arm workout in for today.
Get your arm workout in. Get toxin-free conditioner. Win-win.
Ta.
And now it's ready to use, and you'd use it just like you would normal conditioner, which you want to focus on the ends of your hair to keep those strong and healthy. And if you leave it in for a minute or two, it'll condition deeper into your hair. So keep that in mind as you use it.
Perfect.
For more great recipes like this one, head to blog.simplyearth.com.
And make sure while you're there, you go ahead and subscribe to our box. You'll get a big bonus box as well.
So our box comes with 4 full-size recipes, 6 toxin-free recipes just like this one, and this month's subscribers are getting all of this and more. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're aromatherapists at Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you later. My hair might grow a little longer then, huh?